Now, you must be wondering why on earth will a bad bank go ahead and do this sort of a service to banks, right? Because they are purchasing bad loans which have no signs of getting returned. Well, the answer the bad banks are made with an intention to support banks. They are made with an intention to ensure that the banks can function smoothly. They're made with an intention to ensure that banks who always face bad loans from time to time can work a lot more freely without actually having to worry about those bad loans. Because here's a thought. Every time you lend money, there is obviously a certain element of risk attached to it. Okay, there can never be a situation when there's zero risk. So bank is in the business of something which is very risky by the very nature of it. But we need banks to function in our economy. We need them to go ahead and lend money to everyone in society, regardless of how risky the proposition seems. So obviously the bank is also not a fool. They do their required checks, they do all their calculations, they do all the background understanding, but despite this, nobody can predict what the future is going to be. And hence, it could be that somebody who they absolutely trusted to repay the loan may not repay the loan. For example, this particular lockdown, because of coronavirus, we saw a lot of good running businesses and very trusted individuals not being able to pay back the loan despite the levy offered by the government. So in situations like this, a lot of loans that were given out by the banks turned into bad loans. So given the risky nature of the business, it is important that the bank gets some support, and this bad bank is a way of providing them that support, that in case there are too many bad loans, then in that case there is something called a bad bank which is going to come forth and purchase it. But if it's too little and if it's hardly anything, then usually the bank factors some proportion as an amount regularly in their year-on-year overall statements, because they need to factor in the fact that there will be bad loans inevitably every year. But once it goes beyond a threshold, it can be very worrisome, which is why we have bad banks to come to their rescue and help them in a situation like this. Bad banks are not there for a profit-making regime. They're there to eventually support these banks and get them out of the crisis of having too many bad loans fallen upon them.
Do you read newspapers? We didn't think so either. What if you had an expert from every field to explain ideas and topics from their domain in a matter that is so simple that even a 10-year-old can learn just as easily as any of you adult heads? Well, here's introducing Smarticles by Reading Right. Smart news articles explained by rigorously well-read field experts. After a careful selection, these articles have been made available to you in its original form from the only hand-picked worthy publications, while the explanations are inserted on it using an unmatched technology. So now, you can learn word meanings, understand a concept, or get detailed text and video explanations to any line in the article just by a simple tap right there. And we guarantee that you will never feel lost about any topic anymore, even if you don't read newspapers at all. Get ready to smart, only with Reading Right. Statutory warning: not everyone can handle this level of smart. So log on to web.readingright.in or download the Reading Right app from Play Store or App Store at your own risk.